Welcome back to CountyLine TV. It is officially the first time I'll be driving the Rallycross Camaro ever. Like, more than just doing a burnout. Because it actually has a radiator fan now and lots of other things that are somewhat required for a driving car. So, here we go. Steering wheel's crooked, just like I like it. Steering wheel also moves around a lot. It runs and drives, clutch feels good. Brakes work. Tires are kind of low. This really bothers me. Thing's cool. It sat there and idled for about 20-30 minutes before we took off on this drive. We're sitting at about 170 right now. So I'm really happy with that. Hey, go over there and get me going through that ditch. Let's do a hit on the nitrous. Just one though. Alright. System's ready. That makes a hell of a difference. That makes the biggest difference. Nitrous burnout for the fun of it. That was a very exciting test drive. Like I said, first time I drove the car more than just doing that one burnout that you guys have seen in the past. And it took the ditch super good. It obviously hit, but like it pushed itself through. So that was really cool. Took the nitrous just fine, seemingly. We do have one problem though. And that is, this came from my car. I don't know, but it leaks. That's not very good. I don't know where it's coming from, but I stuck my hand in it. It's oil. It wasn't hot, so it might be gear oil from the diff. I know that leaks, so maybe once I started spinning it up, it started to leak really bad. I don't know. I guess I'll find out sometime this week though. So I'm out here, we're out here with Josh and my brother. Josh bought this gem of a Crown Pictoria, and he's gonna rally that instead of the lifted Subaru that we said he was gonna rally. But anyway, we're out here, lifted Camaro. We're about to do a $25 paint job. So I guess I'll set a time lapse. Enjoy. All right, guys, it's getting kind of dark already, but oh man. Leave it in the comments below who you think did a better paint job. All right, so check this out. We got this guy with his pink checkers on his gas door. We got the sheriff star in hot pink on the door with a big cock on the hood. The racing stripe of different stars, looking good. Another sheriff star on the back, and we got the racing stripe finished out with a pig. This is going to be dubbed the Crown Pictoria. All right, and then we got my car, which is just a simple red, white, and blue with extra runs. Simple. I'm going to do some white stars on the back where it's blue, but I got to let the blue dry before I can stick the stencils to it. So that's what she's going to look like, though, for the most part. If you notice, I didn't paint the hatch is coming off. We're not going to run the hatch. It's like an extra 300 pounds of weight savings back there. So she gone. So yeah, leave it in the comments below who you think did a better job. And I think that's going to conclude this episode. Hope you liked it. It was really fun testing out the Camaro. I'm really happy with how it did. Thing rips. I think it's actually maybe going to be a contender for the race. I think I've got a chance. But anyway, thanks for watching. Tell your mom to subscribe, and we will see you on the next episode.